Hello students, Cell the Unit of Life, class 11th. We continue with the topic endoplasmic reticulum. It we also called ER. It firstly invented by Porter and Kalman in 1945. The term endoplasmic reticulum, it is one of the type of cell organelles and firstly reported by Porter and Kalman. Mostly these are found in all eukaryotic cells except RBCs, egg cells and embryonic cells. Location: they are located in started from the outer wall of nuclear membrane and divided by intracellular space into two compartments. This is the nuclear membrane and outer side of the nuclear membranes they become start in this pattern. And they divided the whole cell materials into two compartments. The luminal compartment that we call the inside compartment of the endoplasmic reticulum, and the second is extraluminal compartment, cytoplasmic compartment. Types of endoplasmic reticulum: it is mainly divided into two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum that we called RER. We call them rough because the ribosomes are attached to the wall of endoplasmic reticulum. So the structure is look like a rough structure. The second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. We also say them SER, and they are without ribosome, means their cell wall are very smoothly, ribosomes are not attached to their cell wall. Now talk about the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Mainly it is divided into three parts: cisternae, vesicles and tubules. Cisternae are called sac-like unbranched tubules. Vesicles, the rounded structure, also called microsomes. Vesicles also called microsome. Now we see the structure of it. Tubules, smooth walled tubular structure we called tubules. That is the nuclear membrane, and from the outer wall of the nuclear membrane the endoplasmic reticulum is start. This is part is look like a sac. Actually it is the 3D part of that sac, and that we called cisternae. Cisternae mostly found in RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosomes are attached on the wall of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum is located here near to the plasma membrane, and their structure is of tubular structure, tube-like structure. This entire tube-like structure is there, and they are without ribosome. Some rounded structure are also attached to the both membrane, smooth and endoplasmic reticulum as well as rough endoplasmic reticulums, and that we called vesicles. Rounded structure we called vesicles. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. Now we see the difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is the very important exam point of view. Sometimes it also asks in board examination. RER and SER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is made up of cisternae. Here we say that, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is made up of tubules. It is located closer to the nuclear membrane. Here they are originated from the outer wall of the nuclear membrane, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum are attached to or closer to the plasma membrane. These are very closely located to the plasma membrane. Ribosome present on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum, while these are absent on the surface of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's why it help in the protein synthesis and its transport. So it is actively participate in protein synthesis, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not have ribosome, but it help in the lipid synthesis and lipid transport. Transport of nuclear material from nucleus to other one, because it is attached to the nuclear membrane, that's why it transport the material from nucleus to the cytoplasm. It forms the desmotubules in plasmodesmata in plant. We already seen about that whenever we talk about the cell wall. Plasmodesmata is the connection between the two cells, neighboring two cells. It is the nearby connection between the two cells, and that plasmodesmata, for the preparation or for the formation of the plasmodesmata, smooth endoplasmic reticulum becomes help. Now we see where they are actually located in the body. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum are mostly found in adipose tissue. Adipose tissues are located beneath the skin. WBCs, that we call leukocytes. Glycogen storing cells mean the cells of liver, because liver store the glycogen. Retinal cells in eyes and muscle cells. While rough endoplasmic reticulum found in pancreatic cells, plasma cells, goblet cells in stomach, liver cell, as well as beta cells of the islet of Langerhans. Islet of Langerhans found in pancreas, and that beta cells are responsible for the formation of insulin hormone, and that cells are made up of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now we move towards the function of endoplasmic reticulum. The primary function, it is provide the cytoskeleton structure to the cell, and cytoskeleton structure to the cell, that's why the shape of the cell maintain. It has the connection between nucleus and surrounding medium, because it is originated and started from the outer wall of the nuclear membrane and runs up to the plasma membrane. That's why it provides the connection between the nucleus and surrounding medium inside the cell, means the cytoplasm. Vesicles are help in transport of proteins and lipids. Vesicles are the rounded part located near to the cisternae and tubules, and that help in the transport of protein and lipid, because protein synthesis takes place in RER, while lipid synthesis takes place is SER. It help in cell plate formation in cell division. Where the cell plate formation, this is the characteristics of plant cell mostly. Cell plate, plant cell may prepared, in case of plant cell it is prepared, and during the cell division it help for the plate formation. RER play major role in protein synthesis, because ribosomes are attached to the RER, and ribosomes are actively participate in the protein synthesis. SER or smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in lipid synthesis and steroid hormone synthesis. Steroid hormone are another parts of the protein and lipids also. That's why it help in the steroid hormone formation. Which type of the hormone we call steroid hormone? Generally sex hormones are the steroid hormone. Nissal's granules are masses of rough endoplasmic reticulum present in cyton in neurons. Nissal's granule. Neurons का structure we see here. It is look like that. That is the dendron part, and this is the cyton, axon part. In dendron part, nucleus is located, and near to the nucleus some granules are located, and that granules we called Nissal's granules. These are made up from the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Myeloid bodies are masses of smooth endoplasmic reticulum found in retinal cells. Retinal cells are found in eye. Cells of retina we call retinal cells, and here the myeloid bodies are prepared with the help of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum also help in the removal of lactic acid in muscles. Lactic acid in muscles are produced during the heavy exercise or during when the muscles are undergo in anaerobic respiration. That time the byproduct is prepared lactic acid, and whenever it accumulated in muscles, then it causes the inflammation in muscles. So the removal of lactic acid in muscles takes place with the help of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is about the endoplasmic reticulum. The notes related to that parts are available. If you want this, then check the description box. And in next video, we talk about the next cell organelles. Thank you.